In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix not receiving call notifications on Apple Watch. You see this? So if you have an Apple Watch and whenever you have an incoming call on your iPhone, then the call notifications do not show up on your Apple Watch, then this video is going to walk you through. So if I don't know this video, you found this really informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do to start receiving incoming calls notifications on Apple Watch is just press the two crown once and then go to settings. On the settings page, the first thing you want to do here is scroll down until you get to Bluetooth, then locate Bluetooth on this page. If Bluetooth is turned off, you may not be able to receive incoming notifications from your iPhone or your Apple Watch. Then turn this on. Then once you turn this on, you should see the Bluetooth device section for available devices. Here, hit the back button. Now once you've turned on Bluetooth, then scroll down, locate notifications, click on that. Then under notifications, make sure you turn on notifications indicator. Then scroll down, under notification privacy, turn on show summary when locked. Then again scroll down, you may want to turn on tap to show full notifications. So once these settings are turned on, you can just drop your Apple Watch, then go to the iPhone Apple Watch settings, click on the Apple Watch app on your iPhone like this. Now scroll down and scroll down to phone app. So locate the phone app like this. Then here, under the phone app settings, make sure you turn on mirror my iPhone. So if this is not set to mirror my iPhone, you may not be able to receive the incoming call notifications on your Apple Watch when you have a calls on your iPhone. Then do not choose custom. So just go ahead and choose mirror my iPhone. After that, you can just turn back. Now to make sure you receive notifications like alert or ringtone when you have an incoming call on your iPhone while your iPhone is mirrored to your Apple Watch, is take your Apple Watch again, type in your passcode if you have any. Then on this page, just click on the control center button like this and make sure silent mode is not enabled. So if you enable silent mode like this, you will receive the incoming call notifications on your Apple Watch, but it's going to be on silent mode. So once this is turned off, then you can be rest assured that when next you have an incoming calls on your iPhone, you will be able to receive the notifications on your Apple Watch. So this is how you can easily fix not receiving incoming calls notifications on Apple Watch from iPhone. If this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.